Morel mushrooms, known for their unique honeycomb appearance and distinctive flavor, are highly sought after by chefs and mushroom enthusiasts. Morels typically command premium prices in the market due to their limited growing season and wild foraged nature. Cultivating morel mushrooms can be challenging, but the potential profit margins make it a worthwhile endeavor for experienced mushroom growers willing to invest in specialty cultivation techniques. Average sale price, $20–50 per pound. Truffles are considered the diamonds of the kitchen and are among the most expensive mushrooms in the world. These prized fungi grow underground in symbiosis with tree roots and require specific soil conditions and climate to thrive. Truffle cultivation is a long-term investment, as it can take several years for truffle-producing trees to start bearing fruit. However, the high market demand and premium prices make truffle farming a profitable venture for patient growers. Average sale price, $800 to $2,000 per pound. Lion's mane mushrooms, known for their unique appearance resembling a lion's mane, are gaining popularity for their medicinal properties and culinary uses. This gourmet mushroom is valued for its neuroprotective and immune-boosting benefits, making it a sought-after ingredient in the health and wellness industry. Cultivating lion's mane mushrooms requires relatively simple growing conditions and can yield high returns due to the growing demand for this exotic mushroom. Average sale price, $12–20 per pound. Shiitake mushrooms are one of the most widely cultivated mushrooms globally, renowned for their rich flavor and versatile culinary applications. Shiitakes are in high demand in both fresh and dried forms, making them a popular choice for commercial mushroom growers. With proper cultivation techniques and market access, farmers can achieve consistent sales and competitive prices for their shiitake mushroom harvest. Average sale price, $6–12 per pound. Oyster mushrooms are a beginner-friendly variety that offers a balance of ease of cultivation and profitable returns. These mushrooms are known for their delicate texture and mild flavor, making them a versatile ingredient in various cuisines. Oyster mushrooms grow quickly and can be harvested multiple times, allowing farmers to generate steady income throughout the growing season. Average sale price, $6–10 per pound. The sale prices of the most profitable mushrooms vary based on factors such as market demand, growing conditions, and consumer preferences. By focusing on cultivating high-value mushroom varieties like morels, truffles, lion's mane, shiitake, and oyster mushrooms, farmers and entrepreneurs can tap into the lucrative mushroom market and unlock their profit potential. Through strategic cultivation practices, market research, and quality production, growers can maximize their returns and establish a successful mushroom farming business in this thriving industry. Embarking on the journey of establishing a mushroom farm can be a rewarding and profitable venture for beginners in the agriculture industry. With the right knowledge, resources, and dedication, aspiring mushroom farmers can cultivate high-demand varieties and capitalize on the growing market for fresh, locally grown mushrooms. Join us as we explore the essential steps and considerations for starting a successful mushroom farm as a beginner. Before diving into mushroom cultivation, beginners should conduct thorough research and educate themselves on the basics of mushroom farming. Understanding different mushroom varieties, cultivation techniques, growing requirements, and market trends will provide a solid foundation for success. Consider attending workshops, courses, or joining online communities to learn from experienced mushroom growers and gain valuable insights. 2. Choose a suitable mushroom variety. Selecting the right mushroom variety is a crucial step in starting a successful mushroom farm. For beginners, beginner-friendly varieties like oyster mushrooms or shiitake mushrooms are recommended due to their ease of cultivation and market demand. Consider factors such as growing conditions, labor requirements, and profitability when choosing a mushroom variety to cultivate. 3. Set up your growing space. Creating a suitable growing environment is essential for successful mushroom cultivation. Beginners can start small by setting up a grow room, greenhouse, or outdoor mushroom patch depending on the selected variety and available space. Ensure proper ventilation, lighting, temperature, and humidity levels to provide optimal conditions for mushroom growth. 4. Source quality spawn and substrate. Acquire high-quality mushroom spawn and substrate from reputable suppliers to kickstart your cultivation process. Spawn serves as the seed for growing mushrooms, while the substrate provides nutrients for mushroom growth. Beginners can purchase ready-to-use spawn kits or learn to prepare spawn and substrate from scratch for a more hands-on approach. 5. Implement care and maintenance practices. Maintaining a clean and sterile growing environment is essential to prevent contamination and ensure healthy mushroom growth. Regularly monitor temperature, humidity, and ventilation levels, water the mushrooms as needed, and protect the crop from pests and diseases. Implement proper hygiene practices to avoid contamination and maximize crop yield. 6. Harvest and market your mushrooms. Once your mushrooms reach maturity, carefully harvest them using sterilized equipment to preserve quality and freshness. Explore various marketing channels such as local farmers markets, restaurants, grocery stores, and online platforms to sell your mushrooms to eager consumers. Establishing relationships with buyers and showcasing the unique qualities of your mushrooms can help build a loyal customer base. Starting a mushroom farm as a beginner may seem daunting, but with dedication, knowledge, and perseverance, you can turn your passion for mushrooms into a profitable and sustainable business. By following these essential steps and considerations, beginners can set themselves up for success in the competitive world of mushroom farming. Embrace the learning process, adapt to challenges, and enjoy the rewarding experience of cultivating and sharing fresh, nutritious mushrooms with your community. A beginner's guide to leasing land for starting a mushroom farm. Starting a mushroom farm can be a rewarding and profitable venture for those interested in sustainable agriculture and innovative food production. One of the key aspects to consider when embarking on this journey is securing the right land for your mushroom farm. Leasing land can provide a cost-effective option for new farmers looking to get their operation off the ground without a major financial commitment. In this guide, we will explore the steps involved in leasing land for starting a mushroom farm. Finding the right land. The first step in leasing land for a mushroom farm is finding the right location. Mushroom farming requires a space that is cool, dark, and well ventilated. Look for land that has access to water sources for irrigation, as mushrooms require consistent moisture to thrive. Additionally, consider the proximity to markets and distribution channels for selling your mushrooms. Negotiating the lease. Once you have identified a suitable piece of land, it is time to negotiate the lease agreement. When leasing land for a mushroom farm, it is important to consider the terms of the lease, including the duration, rent amount, and any restrictions on farming practices. Be sure to clarify who will be responsible for maintenance and improvements to the land, as well as any insurance requirements. Preparing the land. Before you can start growing mushrooms, you will need to prepare the land for cultivation. Clear the area of any obstacles or debris, and ensure that the soil is well drained and fertile. Depending on the type of mushrooms you plan to grow, you may need to make adjustments to the soil pH or composition. Consider installing irrigation systems or other infrastructure to support your farming operation. Starting your mushroom farm. With the land leased and prepared, it is time to start your mushroom farm. Depending on your level of experience and expertise, you may choose to grow mushrooms from spores, spawn, or kits. Consider the different varieties of mushrooms available, such as oyster, shiitake, or button mushrooms, and select those that are best suited to your growing conditions. Marketing and selling your mushrooms. Once your mushrooms are ready for harvest, it is important to have a plan in place for marketing and selling your produce. Consider selling directly to consumers at farmers markets, restaurants, or through a CSA program. You may also explore opportunities for selling to local grocery stores, wholesalers, or food distributors. Leasing land for starting a mushroom farm can provide a cost-effective way to enter the world of mushroom cultivation. By finding the right location, negotiating a favorable lease agreement, and preparing the land for cultivation, you can set yourself up for success in the exciting and rewarding field of mushroom farming. With careful planning and dedication, your mushroom farm can thrive and become a valuable addition to the local food system.